If you're buying a home and your lender, mortgage advisor, or solicitors asks for pages of documents just to prove where your deposit came from, you might think, this feels excessive. I've already saved the money. Why does this matter? Why do they need to see my bank statements? Here's the truth. It's not personal. It's not suspicion. And it's definitely not them being difficult. It's the law. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why you're asked to prove your deposit, what documents are usually required, real examples of where buyers get stuck, and how to avoid delays that can cost you weeks or even your purchase. Why source of funds matters. In the UK, financial services and related sectors are legally required to follow anti-money laundering regulations. That means they must prove where your deposit came from, how it moved, and that it came from a legitimate source. If they don't, they can be fined, lose their license, or face criminal penalties. So when your mortgage lender, broker, or solicitor asks questions, they're not questioning you, they're protecting themselves and your transaction. Think of it like airport security. Even if you're innocent, everyone goes through the same checks. What documents you'll actually need? Let's break down the most common documents with real examples so you understand why they're needed. 1. Bank statements, usually 3 to 6 months required. This is the big one. You will usually be asked for full bank statements, not screenshots. Why? Because screenshots only show a balance, not how the money arrived there. Example: if £20,000 suddenly appears in your account last month, they need to know where it came from, who sent it, and why it was sent. If it's savings, they'll want to see that money building up over time. 2. Evidence of savings, such as ISA or bonds. If your deposit comes from savings products, you'll need statements or certificates showing your name, the balance, withdrawal history, if recently moved. Example: you've been saving into a lifetime ISA for 4 years. That's great, but once you withdraw the money into your bank account, you still need to show the original LISA statements to connect the dots. Your money has to tell a story from start to finish. 3. Gifted deposits. If someone helped you, for example, parents, family, or even a friend, this is where people often get delayed. You'll usually need a gifted deposit letter, signed, from the giftor, confirmation the money is a gift, not a loan, ID for the person gifting, and proof of their relationship to you. Example: your mum sends you £15,000. Your mortgage lender or broker must confirm it's genuinely a gift. She won't expect repayment, and she won't have a claim on the property. This protects the lender and you. 4. Gifts from non-family require extra checks. If the gift comes from someone outside immediate family, expect extra checks. You may be asked for proof of relationship and more detailed source of funds evidence from the giver. This doesn't mean it's a problem. It just means the rules are stricter. 5. Deposit from a property sale requires proof. If your deposit comes from selling another property, you'll need completion statement, sale confirmation, and proof the funds came directly from that sale. This is usually straightforward, as long as paperwork is ready. 6. Inheritance requires legal and bank documents. If your deposit came from inheritance, solicitors may ask for probate documents, executor's letter, and bank trail showing the money entering your account. Again, it's about traceability, not judgment. Why screenshots are not enough. This is where many buyers get caught out. Screenshots can be edited, don't show transaction history, and don't prove where money comes from. Your official bank statements are required to show the journey of the money. Balance alone isn't proof. How to avoid delays. Here's the biggest tip that saves people time and stress. If you're moving money around, do it early. Keep funds in one account with minimal transfers and make it clearly traceable. The cleaner the paper trail, the faster your solicitor can sign it off. Messy transfers equals questions. Questions equals delays. Final thoughts. Yes, it can feel excessive, but proving your deposit isn't optional. It's a legal requirement. Once you understand why it's needed, the process becomes much smoother. If you're planning to buy in 2026, save this video and start organizing your documents early. Your future will thank you. For those who know any other tips to make it easier, drop it in the comments. Follow for more clear, honest breakdowns of the home buying process without the jargon.